Hello students of standard 9. Now we will learn converse of midpoint theorem. Theorem is if a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle and parallel to the other side, then it bisects the third side. Now try to understand in this figure. Given triangle is ABC. D is the midpoint of one side and the line L passing through midpoint of first side is parallel to second side. Then we have to prove this line bisect third side. Third side is AC. Means prove that this A is midpoint of AC or A is equal to AC. Now given point D is the midpoint of side AB of triangle ABC. Line L passing through point D and parallel to side BC intersect side AC in point E. Then to prove AE is equal to AC. Construction: take point F on line L such that DEF and DE is equal to EF. Draw seg CF parallel to side AB. Now see in this figure construction. Take point F on line L such that this DE is equal to EF and this segment CF is parallel to AB. Now prove side AB is parallel to side FC and side AC is a transversal. Therefore angle DAE is congruent to angle FCE. Give it number 1. Reason alternate angles. Now I am showing these angles in figure. Angle DAE is congruent to angle ECF, alternate angles. Then see quadrilateral DBCF. Here ordinary line L is parallel to BC, means this DF is parallel to BC. By construction AB is parallel to CF, means DB is parallel to CF. Here DF parallel BC given, then DB parallel FC construction. When opposite sides are parallel, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Therefore this quadrilateral DBCF is a parallelogram. And we know the property, opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore sec DB is congruent to sec FC. The reason opposite sides of a parallelogram. But sec AD is congruent to sec DB. It is given because D is midpoint of AB. Now here you see first segment is congruent to second segment and second is congruent to third. Then we know first is congruent to third. Therefore sec AD is congruent to sec FC. Reason by transitivity. Give number 2. Then in triangle ADE and CFE, in these two triangles ADE and CFE, AD is congruent to FC, we proved in 2. Say AD is congruent to FC from 2. Then angle DAE is congruent to FCE, already proved in number 1 from 1. Then angle AED is congruent to angle CEF because these two are vertically opposite angles. So right here angle AED congruent to angle CEF, vertically opposite angle is the reason. Therefore triangle ADE is congruent to triangle CFE by SAA test, means side angle angle. If the triangles are congruent, then the corresponding sides are congruent. Therefore sec AE is congruent to EC, CS, CT. And when segments are congruent, then their lengths are equal. Therefore AE equal to AC, hence proved. Write this proof in your Maths 2 notebook.